we finally have a pretty day with blue skies and it's feeling like spring, so I'm gonna try to not be all curmudgeon-y and shit this month, and yeah, happy March. Let's see. Alright, it's working. New phone and all that stuff. What up, Bobby? Yeah, so it's spring, right? So there's just barely, seeds and things and some herbs and stuff coming up. So there's not much really to share over here. I am building a new greenhouse because that happened in the ice and snow. And I just figure it's honestly really stupid. I know you try to save money and this and that, but it's just dumb to try to have a hoop house in the Ozarks with our treacherous storm. So I am building a new greenhouse, and actually I'll just show you. Okay, there's not really, much out here. These are ready to go up. Yeah, little tiny buds are starting, which is adorable. And there is some forsythia, but oh wait, actually I'm standing in the new greenhouse. Yeah, that happened fast. Okay, so it's basically gonna be like this tree to that tree to almost there and fill up all this semi-flattish space. And it's gonna be traditional build like I did here. And yeah, I'm learning how to do all this stuff. And well, I mean, build, like real build, not just put things together, but like, yeah, with levels and stuff. So this is my catio. And the cats like it. I'm not done, obviously, and I can't paint all the wood yet because it was wet still. And deck boards. Let's see, that's what I did down here. And it's all screened in, including even the bottom, and all caulked in on the sides because, well, I want to keep it bug-free. But yeah, they seem to, oh, there's the pretty forsythias. Yeah, and I just need to cut this and, because I don't want to hit my head or anything. But yeah, what do you think, Bobby? We like it. So yeah, that's kind of new. In fact, actually, the whole front part is, okay, so you may remember before it was like bricks and ugly and just, I kind of just been putting things together as I can and with whatever material's there. And sometimes it's rocks and the next times it's bricks and the next times it's logs. And so these big old cedar poles were dropped off. So I decided to pretend I'm He-Man or She-Ra or who gives a fuck. It's 2022. I can be whatever the fuck I want. And look how long these are. I did it all by myself, and they're fucking heavy too, dude. But it was fun. So, and this I decided will be my loofah tunnel. It's just temporary. I just did this in the last couple days, and I'll put some stakes in. I just like to see things first before, I decide. Okay, so yeah, I've decided, okay, that's the loofah tunnel. And then this forsythia, I was worried with building this here and it not getting a lot of sun. So I took a bunch of cuttings and then just put them in the ground everywhere here and then another spot over there. Bobby, I love you. Yeah, so, and just, yeah, using up all the cedar and wood or rock or whatever I could find. Yeah. So I'm excited with the greenhouse right here. It'll be close to everything, right? Including water or heat. And then I can, did I not turn the hose off? Let me check on that. It's not, no, it's off. Okay. So, I don't know if you know, but upstairs in that bedroom, let's see. You can see the grow light, I guess. And there's a big old plant cage. I don't know, you won't be able to see them from here, and I'm not walking all the way up there, but you can see the plant light. So the tropicals, like the bananas, limes, oranges, lemons, coffee, pomegranate, all of that stuff has to go up there. That's a freaking long ass walk, right? So with this here, when it's super cold, I could just heat it easily, and then I'll be ready and have my year-round stuff growing. Aww. Do we have any buds here yet? Nah, not yet. Yeah, I had a septic issue, so that's where the septic is. We know this now. That was fun. Well, I knew I was going to lose those trees anyways. It doesn't even make... Why would anybody put something there but whatever. They figured not in my life. Yeah. So, yeah, like some of the herbs are kind of hanging in there. Onions and garlic are popping back up, but really, the berries are looking good. Blueberries are starting to bud. The goats are great. Everybody's happy, healthy, and getting along and having fun. Here they go. Sweet babies. Yeah, so it's cute to see like little, you can't even see them, they're so small. Yeah, there you go. But they're just barely starting. Garlics, I've just been out like pruning mints and oreganos and herbs. Look how different my pretty circle is. And the tulips started to come back. I actually honestly wasn't even expecting it. But that's cool. That means if all of those can come back up, that maybe under these big piles of lemongrass, that would be cool. But we're gonna wait because we still got freezing. Yeah, so we got a few little baby buds here and there. And after that devastation for my, Yuri, my winter garden, it looks like some kale just finally started to pop back up all on its own. So that's great. I've just been digging away a lot of the mulch to get to the, roots and stems of everything so they can see some sunshine finally. Yeah. Figs looking good. Yeah, and you can still see the lake over here this time of year, so that's fine by me. What up, Bruiser? I love you so much. So yeah, it's freaking March already. Oh, wait a minute. Hey! Oh my God! Oh! Oh, that's so beautiful! Oh my God, I love crocuses so much they don't even look real. Okay, so that's the first crocus. And I was just gonna bring you over here. This is the pear, and one of the pears. And that's cool. The pear's starting, but holy shit! I should be having more, oh, here's another crocus. Yeah, they're all around the circle here. Oh, that is so exciting. Wait, can you, it's hard to see. There we go. It's hard to see. Okay, guys, don't fight. You love each other. Anyways, so yeah, that's exciting. Yeah. Again, those look like the hollyhocks down there coming up, and blueberries starting to bud, and that's really, I guess, about it. You probably saw the new fencing and all of that stuff. Oh, here's this peach. This peach wants to bloom. That's nice. Yeah, so it's almost that season, and I hope, yeah, I can't wait to get this started though. I am not happy about the cost of wood, but hey, I love doing it, and it's an awesome new hobby and skill. This is a quince, so that's cool. That's starting. Here's the other forsythia cuddy. I put out here, and then under here is like lemon balm and mint, and I dug away at all the mulch to see the nice little babies coming up wherever you are. Oh, here's some. Oh, you're so pretty. Look at you popping up all cute shit. Like, oh yeah, look at that. So yeah, it's spring is springing. And wait a minute. This is a phone where I can change the camera, I think. Let me see if I could do this. Nope, that didn't work. I don't know how to turn it around. I just go like that. What up? It's hard work, but it is so fun. Aw, Jupiter wants to say hi. Jupiter Trooper, the king. Keeping everyone safe and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm liking shaping up the front yard here part finally. Oh, and the lovers. Jupiter's daughter, Venus. And Yuri. He is Sir Yuri Tiger Lancelot. Yeah, and he was knighted by the royal family. It'd be him and his wife, Queen Neptune. Oh no, is he still trying to do that? Doesn't he realize that...